trouble connecting with your prospects or getting enough responses to your messages? There's a good chance that your LinkedIn profile is not optimized enough. Hi guys, my name is Pranav Karat. I'm here to talk to you about how to build your LinkedIn profile effectively, make you stand out from the crowd, make you look more credible, and help gain popularity. Now here are the 8 ways to build your profile and make you look awesome. Let's get right into it. First is your profile picture. Your profile picture needs to look clear. It should not look as if you have cropped yourself out from your cousin's marriage's group picture. You need to wear something appropriate, something preferably which you would wear for a business meeting or on your first date. Make sure, it does not really matter whether you're wearing a t-shirt or a shirt, just make sure that it looks crisp and ironed. Now, one of the best advices that my mentors have given me is to mirror your audience on your profile picture. What does that mean? Now, if you are, into a gaming industry and reaching out to younger folks, you can have an animated picture of yourself or a fun DP for yourself. But if you're reaching out to high net worth individual or, corporate giants, it is preferable to not do any of these. Now, second is your headline. Your headline needs to be clear and concise because this is one of the first things that people notice when somebody searches for your name on the search bar or when you comment on somebody else's post. Now, there are 4 things that you need to put onto your headline. Now, first thing is your company title. Second thing is the keywords related to your niche. Third is the value that you can provide to your prospects. And the fourth is the personal touch. Now, third is the banner. The banner is something which will represent you or your company. Now, it can be anything which is related to your personal quote, your company banner, something which showcases your achievements, or something which represents the real you. The banner should not be pixelated. It should have a color combination, preferably same as your display picture for a better look and feel. Now, fourth is your about section. This is where you talk about yourself. This is something which I would advise not to underwrite, but not brag as well. And this reminds me of a very popular LinkedIn meme on Star Wars, which is out there. And I would highly recommend to not, and I repeat, do not talk in a third person's point of view. So-and-so person is this, so-and-so person is that, so-and-so person is good at child psychology, so-and-so person is a master in the field of IT. Do not write like that. Here are the 5 components which you'd like to specify on your about section. Number 1, what I do. Number 2, who I help. Number 3, my core values to success. Number 4 is hobbies. And number 5, a call to action. Now, these 5 components can really help people understand you in a much better and a much brief manner. Now, the 5th aspect is to keep your creator mode on, because this allows you to mention the topics that you frequently talk about in a hashtag format right under your headline. It also activates your follow button. It also activates your ability to start a newsletter and, of course, the LinkedIn Live. Now, the 6th aspect is your featured section. Now, whatever posts that you've put out, articles, newsletters, blog posts, video content, all of this you can put it onto your featured section. Now, this allows the people to engage with your profile more often and make it look more happy. The 7th aspect is your experience, skills, and education. Now, it's very important for you to specify the organizations you were part of and what roles and responsibilities that you had in these organizations, and especially what value you could provide to these organizations. In the skills section, it's very important to mention your skills so that people would know what you bring onto the table for them. And education is something which is again important for you to specify so that people know what school of thought you come from. Now, the 8th aspect is the recommendation. Now, I would highly recommend you to ask for recommendation from your juniors, seniors, colleagues, or even your clients you're associated with. Now, what they would do is they would showcase what value you were able to provide to them. And this will allow, build instant trust and credibility for people who just do not know you. So these were the 8 ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile. I would highly recommend you to try these out and let me know in the comments below as to how your profile grew organically. I hope I provide some value in this video. This is Pranav Karat signing off.